Okay guys, so right now I'm going to sing a song from Nelly Furtado that is called I'm Like a Bird. So I hope you like it and thanks for your comments and suggestions. So here we go. Okay, so I'm not going to look at the camera because I don't know the lyrics. So I'm going to read the lyrics here in the computer karaoke, sorry. So I hope you like it and thanks so much for watching. I hope I don't hurt your ears so much. You're beautiful, that's for sure. You'll never ever fade. You're lovely, but it's not for sure that I won't ever change, yeah. And though my love is rare, yeah. Though my love is true, I'm like a bird, I only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you is I'm like a bird, I only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. The faith in me brings me to the tears. Even after all these years. And it pains me so much to tell that you don't know me that way. And that my love is real, yeah. That my love is true. I'm like a bird, I will fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you is I'm like a bird, I only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. And I don't wanna say goodbye. Just that every time you try to tell me that you love me, ooh, each and every single day, know I'm gonna have to eventually give you away, yeah. Ooh, thought my love is rare, rare, rare. I thought my love is true. Hey, I'm just scared that we might fall through. Hey,